Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use must, mustn't, and needn't in sentences. We use must when we talk about things that are necessary for us to do. It is very important that they get done. So have a look at the sentence example. In some cultures, you must cover your tattoos at work. It is something that is necessary to do. You must do it. We use mustn't when it is necessary for us to not do something. Remember, must, not, mustn't. Have a look at the sentence example. In some cultures, you mustn't show your shoulders at work. So here, it is necessary to not do something. Don't show your shoulders at work. We use needn't when we talk about things that are not necessary for us to do, but if we want to do them, we can. So have a look at this sentence example. In some cultures, you needn't cover your tattoos at work because it is acceptable for everyone to see them. So here, it is not necessary to cover your tattoos. You could do it if you want to, but you don't have to. The word needn't tells us that. It is your choice whether you want to do it or whether you don't want to do it. We use needn't have when we talk about things that are not necessary for us to do, but we do them anyway. So here we have needn't have plus past participle. So have a look at the sentence example. I needn't have covered my tattoos at work because my manager has one himself. So it is not necessary to cover the tattoos, but I covered my tattoos anyway. Excellent job with these words today. Well done. Goodbye.